Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On today's episode we're going to be making an Applejack Rabbit using some Captain Applejack Brandy. Right. It's a unique drink as always. Try to bring something that's different, right? You may have a bottle of this someone gave to you, something similar, and you don't know what to do with it. I'm going to show you what to do with it. All right, so first, we're going to go to a shaker, right? Next, we're going to add to the shaker 2 ounces of this Applejack. What separates Applejack from just a regular apple brandy is the fact that Applejack is an American thing. Very similar to an apple brandy. I think with Applejack is blended and such. But the main thing is it's American. All right, next we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice. Three-fourths of an ounce of lemon juice. And a 1/2 ounce of grade B maple syrup. So I looked up what is grade B maple syrup, and now it says it's grade A, and which is a darker one. And this is grade A, which is formerly known as grade B. Anyway, we're gonna add a little ice to our shaker. And we're going to shake. I'm real curious about this with these different flavors. We're going to use a Martini glass and get a little fancy. I also have a smoked maple syrup. I wonder, would the smoke flavor of the syrup actually add anything to it? But anywho, that's another day, another video. Let's see. Cheers. This is it's interesting because you can taste all the flavors. Like I taste a hint of the maple, the lemon, the Applejack, the orange juice. Like you taste everything, and it all goes together pretty nicely, I would say. But anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time.